If you have clicked on this video, chances are, you or someone you care about has been battling a little something called dandruff. Yep, that pesky scalp condition that can turn our heads into a snowfall with that embarrassing white flake attack. But don't worry. In today's video, we're going to explore the causes of dandruff and discuss effective treatments to help you manage it, so stick around. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is this thing we call dandruff? Dandruff is a skin condition that causes the skin of the scalp to flake. It can be accompanied by itching and sometimes redness. While it's not a serious health condition, it can be uncomfortable and embarrassing for many. Do you know that there are several types of dandruff, each with a unique cause? Dry skin dandruff. This type often occurs from an excessively dry scalp. It is characterized by small, white, and dry flakes. Harsh weather, inadequate hydration, or hair care products that strip the natural oils of the scalp can lead to this type. Oily skin dandruff occurs due to an overproduction of sebum, the skin's natural oil. As a result, you may have a greasy scalp and larger, yellowish sticky flakes. Fungus-related dandruff, caused by the yeast-like fungus Malassezia. This type manifests as thick scales. Skin condition-related dandruff. Certain skin conditions, including psoriasis, eczema, and seborrheic dermatitis, cause excess skin flaking. How to know if you have dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis? Dandruff is always found only on the scalp, while seborrheic dermatitis can spread to other areas like ears, eyebrows, and sides of nose. Now, let's talk about what causes dandruff. Here are some common factors. The cause of the dandruff is multifactorial and it is associated with the presence of Malassezia yeast, which exists on everyone's scalp and feeds off the oils on our scalp. Hormonal imbalance during puberty. Levels of sebum secretion on your scalp. Excess oil provides fertile ground for this fungus to explode. Immune response to a normal skin yeast. Neurogenic factors. And external factors such as dry air, humidity, excess cold or heat and environment pollution. The microbial cause of the common type of dandruff is, however, straightforward. But before that, let's understand our scalp. The skin of the scalp is thick and hair-bearing and contains numerous sebaceous glands. The skin of the scalp is composed of a superficial epidermis, with little pigment and well protected from light by the hair, and a deeper area, the dermis, in which hair bulbs are densely packed. Capillaries cross the scalp and bring nourishment to the hair through the blood. Other important functions are carried out by sebaceous glands and sweat glands that, with sebum and sweat, ensure protection and lubrification of both the scalp and hair. Do you know that just like the gut, our scalps are homes to a diverse community of microorganisms? Bacteria, fungi, and viruses. The scalp normally harbors many microorganisms. Their density reaches 1,000 to 100,000 organisms per square meter, and they include in particular Staphylococci, Malassezia, and Propionibacterium species. Malassezia is a type of yeast, a fungus that naturally resides on our skin, especially on the scalp. It's a part of the normal skin flora, meaning it's usually harmless. But when conditions become just right, it can lead to dandruff. During dandruff, the levels of Malassezia increase by 1.5 to 2 times its normal level, and they represent almost 75% of the flora. To understand Malessezia's role in dandruff, we need to talk about 2 components. Yeast overgrowth and skin sensitivity. Malassezia can lead to dandruff, but your skin's reaction to the yeast also plays a role. The natural oils on your scalp, known as sebum, are key requirements to fuel the dandruff-causing microbe. Hence, Malassezia yeast is found mainly in sebaceous glands, where this fungus thrives on the natural oil produced by your scalp. In a healthy scalp, Malassezia and your skin coexist peacefully. But when Malassezia overgrows, it can disrupt this balance, leading to dandruff. Malassezia causes damage to the protective barrier of your skin by production of enzymes such as lipases and phospholipases. Our sebum is composed of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Malassezia are picky eaters. They only consume saturated fats and leave the unsaturated fats behind. These enzymes produced by Malassezia break down the triglycerides present in sebum on your scalp, releasing irritating substances such as oleic acid and arachidonic acid. These substances are capable of crossing the protective barrier of your skin. They soak into the skin and open the barrier. Your body reacts to the breach by rapidly increasing skin cell production to help repair the damaged barrier. Due to the skin cells defensively reproduced, these new skin cells don't mature properly, and these leads to aberrant differentiation of skin cells, resulting in abnormalities. These abnormal growth of skin cells leads to the flaky, itchy patches associated with dandruff. Released unsaturated fatty acids and metabolites also have direct irritant and scaling effects on your scalp. So, now we know that Malassezia is the major culprit of dandruff. But, wait, is Malassezia the sole cause of dandruff? The answer is no. A dandruff condition without a primary or original fungal involvement is possible. The most obvious example is scaling of the scalp following excessive exposure to sunlight. Minimal irritation of scalp due to over-shampooing, frequent combing, use of certain cosmetic products, dusts and dirt also, to some extent, cause dandruff. It is believed that psychological stress may amplify it. However, there is no sufficient experimental evidence to the above assumptions. Now, as we know what causes dandruff, let's see some effective natural solutions to get rid of dandruff. Medicinal plants are gifts to human society to combat dandruff and hair loss with low side effects. Plant extracts and essential oils are drugs rich in biologically active metabolites with potent antioxidant and antimicrobial activity in addition to their anti-inflammatory activity. Tea tree oil is an essential oil derived from the leaves of the tea tree, which is native to Australia. Tea tree oil contains a compound called terpenin 4-ol, which possesses powerful antimicrobial properties. Tea tree oil have antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. It may help reduce dandruff by suppressing the growth of fungi and bacteria on the scalp. It reduces itchiness, greasiness, and lesions sometimes associated with dandruff. It also improves scalp health by reducing chemical buildup and unblocking pores. Rosemary oil is an essential oil derived from the rosemary plant. With its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps to eliminate dandruff, reduce irritation, and soothe the scalp. It can stimulate blood circulation when applied to the scalp, which helps promote hair growth. It also contains fatty acids that nourish the hair follicles and provide essential nutrients for healthy hair growth. Neem oil is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including dandruff. High in fatty acids, neem oil is a nourishing skin and hair moisturizer help to moisturize dry, flaky scalp. Its cleansing, soothing, and antifungal properties make it ideal for soothing red, inflamed, and blemish-prone skin. Limonoids and limbidin are phytochemicals present in neem oil that have anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, making neem oil beneficial against dandruff. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help with the negative effects of free radicals, that prevents hair thinning and premature graying of hair. Regularly massaging neem oil into your scalp can help stimulate the follicles responsible for hair growth. Lavender essential oil has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. When applied to hair or scalp, this may prevent common hair or scalp issues such as itchy scalp or dandruff and even infections. It also helps promote hair growth and prevent or kill head lice. Other essential oils include peppermint oil, lemongrass oil, eucalyptus oil, argan oil, oregano oil, cedarwood oil, and thyme oil. Can also be effective in treating dandruff due to their antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut oil. The moisturizing effects of coconut oil are promising. These effects can help treat dandruff and dry skin simultaneously. Lauric acid and capric acid in it are known to have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that help soothe dry, flaky scalp and rebalance scalp microbiome. It is effective than mineral oil in strengthening the skin barrier and thus preventing moisture loss through it. It can penetrate hair shaft, thickens hair and prevent protein loss. Amla oil. It is derived from the amla fruit, also called Indian gooseberry. Amla fruits are very high in vitamin C, as well as several other antioxidants and nutrients. It strengthens the scalp and hair, stimulate hair growth and also reduces premature graying of hair. It also reduces hair fall and prevent head lice. Let's know how to apply these oils to hair. 4 essential oils. Dilute about 3 to 5 drops of essential oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Massage into your scalp and leave for 30 minutes before shampooing. Remember that essential oils should never be applied on the skin directly. They are pure plant extracts and just a drop of it does wonders. While these herbal oils have been traditionally used for dandruff, it's essential to patch test them on a small area of your skin first to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. If your dandruff is severe or persistent, it's recommended to consult with a dermatologist for professional advice. 4 non-essential oils. Warm your oil slightly, not enough to be hot, and massage directly onto the scalp and through the length of the hair for about 20 minutes at a time. Keep the oil on for about 2 hours before washing out and repeat weekly. The aloe vera plant has been used for thousands of years because it has so many properties and active ingredients. It contains vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and other nutrients such as zinc, vitamin C, A, B12 and E. The fatty acids present in aloe vera have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and analgesic properties, which help fight dandruff. It fights itchy and dry scalp, strengthens hair, moisturizes your scalp. A study found that fresh aloe vera juice offers protection to your hair from ultraviolet, UV, radiation. Curd has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help eliminate the dandruff issue. In addition, curd contains the Propionibacter microbe, a good bacteria that can reduce dandruff on your scalp. The effect regulates the pH levels of your scalp for healthy hair. It is rich in protein and lactic acid that nourish scalp. It is enriched with zinc, vitamin B and fatty acid that help strengthen the hair. Curd contains high fatty acids that acts as a natural conditioner. It can be used alone or in combination with other ingredients to reduce dandruff. Here are a few effective hair masks with yogurt and lemon mask for reducing dandruff, yogurt and egg for hair growth, honey and yogurt for split ends, fenugreek seed and yogurt mask to eliminate dandruff, gram flour and yogurt mask for reducing flakes, vinegar and yogurt mask for dandruff, aloe vera and yogurt mask for shiny hair, banana and yogurt for frizzy hair. Lemon. Being rich in vitamin C, lemon for hair is a golden ingredient to fight dandruff and an itchy scalp. You can apply diluted lemon juice directly to your hair and scalp, or use it in combination with other ingredient. Try not to directly apply lemon juice, but dilute it either with water or any other ingredient. Also, don't leave lemon juice in your hair for more than 15 to 20 minutes to reduce side effects. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C, and iron. It also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which helps prevent hair fall and dandruff. It contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. Soaking the seeds and creating a paste that you can mix into hair masks helps treating dandruff. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. Flaxseed gel and oil may have many benefits for your hair, such as moisturize and soothe the scalp. Here is the recipe for flaxseed hair mask. In a small pot, add 2 tablespoons flaxseed and a cup of water. Bring to a boil on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Simmer until the mixture thickens and turns into a gel-like consistency. Use strainer to separate the seeds from the liquid. You can add carrier oils after it cools down and massage the mixture onto scalp. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. There is growing body of evidence that atopic skin disease along with dandruff may be due to disturbed microbial composition on the skin. Several scalp microbiome studies from different populations have revealed the association of dandruff with bacterial and fungal dysbiosis. Dysbiosis is a term that refers to an imbalance in the microbiome, the community of microorganisms that live in a specific environment. On our scalp, we have bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that coexist and maintain health. When the good microbes are outnumbered by the bad ones, dysbiosis occurs, leading to various scalp issues, including dandruff. A balanced scalp microbiome is crucial for scalp health. Thus, it makes sense that rebalancing the microbiome may alleviate symptoms and provide a target for treatments. Also, there is a surprising connection between gut health and dandruff. Studies shows that disturbance in gut microbiota can also result in dandruff. The gut-skin axis, as a bidirectional communication system, reflects the very dynamic of these two organs. Dietary intervention plays a vital role in effectively maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. Adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, fermented milk drink, sauerkraut, finely cut, fermented cabbage, kombucha, fermented black or green tea, kimchi, pickles, fermented vegetables to your diet to ensure probiotics. These foods restore a healthy level of good bacteria in the gut by fostering balance. Omega-3 fatty acids. A great way to include omega-3 fatty acids is through consuming fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Anti-inflammatory foods. Make an anti-inflammatory diet with more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and spices like turmeric and ginger. Reduce processed food and trans fats known to exacerbate inflammation. Take in an adequate amount of water every day to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps not only digestion but also improve skin health. Dandruff can be frustrating, but with the right understanding of its causes and a consistent treatment plan, it's manageable. Adopting a healthy diet and lifestyle is essential to keeping gut health in a good state and reducing the symptoms of dandruff. Remember, everyone's scalp is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Don't hesitate to experiment a little. It's important to find the right treatment for your specific needs. If you're struggling with persistent or severe dandruff or anyone with an underlying skin condition, such as eczema or psoriasis, it's best to consult a dermatologist. They can identify the root cause and recommend the most effective treatment plan for you. With proper treatment and care, you can keep dandruff under control and enjoy a healthy, flake-free scalp. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.